How can we flip an image in PowerPoint? First, select an image and then head to the picture format at the very top. Keep in mind it's only visible when the image is selected. Head to picture format, and then in this area here, when you see alignment, when you see reordering buttons, there's a little tiny button with the list under. So let's click the arrow to open the list, and here it is. We can rotate 90 degrees both sides, but we can also flip both vertically and horizontally. So horizontal flip or a vertical one. Alright, and that's how you can easily flip your images directly in PowerPoint. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.